Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market again. So yesterday we talked about the overall situation on the short-term charts, daily, intraday charts, and come to conclusion that currently overall situation, well, actually, as usual in the gold markets, overall situation tends to be tricky. But we have decided to follow some fundamental background that we have on the gold. And despite that we have some bullish signs on the market, for example, you could see this divergence here exists, bullish divergence with these lows. And we have the triangle where the equal probability of the downward breakout here with the butterfly to the downside, as we discussed yesterday, or it could be upward breakout. This could become left wing of the butterfly, that could become right wing, and market could turn to the upside action. So that's approximately equal chances. Besides, as you can see, the triangle actually is forming after the rally, and usually triangle works as a continuation pattern in this situation. So this really could happen. But at the same time, overall fundamental background mostly supports the idea of the relief on the market, because market was too extended by the virus panic. It was really extreme demand for the gold. So while the overall fundamental background was not friendly to exceptional rally on the gold market, mostly suggests some retracement. Because even before the virus information, the gold already was overextended to the upside. And overall statistics and dynamic of the stock market doesn't suggest a real appreciation of the gold in the current circumstances. That's why yesterday we have decided to make an attempt to go short, suggestion that that stop right here in the middle of the triangle could become early downside reversal. So we try to count and rely on the fundamental background, which suggests that market needs some relief. That's why our suggestion is trying to test this scenario with the attempt to go short and expectation of the downward continuation. Another reason why we talked about it is that, guys, actually this very small potential risk in this trade, because that is an validation point. If market will return it back up and continue upward action inside of the triangle right here, you will understand that your scenario as well is not valid anymore. It has failed. And that is just, well, $5 per contract risk. It's very small. It's the advantage of this scenario. At the same time, the opportunity and the potential of this drop really stand very significant. If you will not take into consideration just minor targets, potentially suggests that market could drop to the 1520. So this is just a huge potential of this situation. Now let's see how it has turned. That is our setup. Yesterday we said that this is invalidation point, and we said, well, you could try to take the position on some pullback. That should give you a chance to minimize your risk at a very small level. And indeed, you could see that market shows the pullback here, right to the 618 level, which is very close to the invalidation point. So because here is invalidation point, that's chance to go short. But if even you have taken the short position somewhere in this area, where we start our discussion of this setup, it's no problem. Well, in this case, risk a bit greater, but in general, it's also not really very, very significant. Indeed, market has dropped immediately to the OP target with this minor ABCD pattern. Minor pullback, this market is continuing downward action. Next destination point will be XOP at 1555. So, overall level stands the same. So, if you have taken position here, now you could easily move your stop to the break even. But currently, invalidation point still stands here, and we're just watching how situation will develop, because currently we have no real problems with this setup. We just now could easily watch, see what will happen. Here, guys, also you can see kind of the well, it's choppy, but you can see some signs of the head and shoulders pattern here you could recognize. It's not, of course, the head and shoulders purely, but you can see the spike. It could be the shoulder, head, something of that sort, and the chance and the fact that market has dropped immediately to the OP target really keeps good chance on a possible downward continuation. So let's see what we'll get on the gold market as well.